the VCPMI, the Variable Changing Price Momentum Indicator, automatic trading system for trading stocks, futures, and ETFs. On this segment, what I would like to do is review the VCPMI for advanced traders. We're going to take a look at how to trade using the VCPMI, the trigger point levels, how to use stops, not straight stops, trailing and catastrophe stops, etc. What the targets are once the signals are activated, and how you can manage the intelligence in order to trade multiples. The 1808, 1806 is the ideal target that we've been actually recommending in order to complete this pattern here that is moving into a harmonic area of resistance. Targets on the daily is 1806. $18.08, 1809 are the targets for today. What you want to look at is, if you're looking at the left of the chart, it's 1806. 1806 is the sell one level for today, and you're looking at the sell two level weekly of 1806. This is a perfect harmonic alignment, and right above it, you're looking at the monthly 1809. Now, this is acting like a magnet in terms of targets, okay? And what we want to see is pretty much the action of the market into this area. If it has the buying power, if the buyers are able to take out all the offers, that being done up here, then it's going to reflect on the price reaching that target of 1806. What we want to see is, upon reaching the target of 1806, that is the completion of the pattern, of this previous pattern, which is a bullish trend momentum. And the actual high probability trigger signal will come in from these levels or very near close. As we take a look at the signal that was produced early this morning during my live show, the market was trading roughly, had just made the high of 1799 and was trading roughly in that 1793, 94 area. As you can see, the AI, or the artificial intelligence of the algorithm, the VCPMI, which stands for the Variable Changing Price Momentum Indicator, was extremely accurate once again. It warned us to expect sellers to come into the market or supply to come into the market. Regardless of the fundamentals or the rhetoric out there, from a mathematical perspective, it gave us a very high probability that we were going to see supply. And of course, this red bar validated that by coming down through the weekly signal, through the daily average of 1786 that we forecasted earlier, and completed this target here now of the extreme below the mean of the buy one level of 1773, and also has activated the weekly average price of 1771. By now closing above 1773, it has now activated a reversion from the extreme below the mean, and has activated in place the targets back of 1786 to 1788. And this is the setup for the next trading signals produced by the VCPMI or the variable changing price momentum indicator. Also understood that between the extremes above and below the mean, I created an algorithm that I defined, for example, the levels of energy in the market, which are basically what we're talking about is the magnetic field of the supply and demand level of the extremes above and below. And so if you push the price way down, let's say to the blue level, which represents the buy level on the algorithm, what happens is the physics explodes the inverse. If you push the price up too much, up to the extreme above the mean, the price collapses.
So that is your mean reversion.
That's the mean reversion, exactly.
Are you looking for an automated artificial intelligence trading system? Do you want to analyze commodities and financial markets to determine when to buy and sell? Looking for an indicator to predict future trends in the commodities and financial markets? Welcome to EMA2 Trade Live Signals. Our Variable Changing Price Momentum Indicator, VCPMI, is an automated AI trading system developed and tested over a decade. The VCPMI algorithm is based on age-old vortex mathematics combined with Fibonacci wave theory, trend analysis, pivot points, and several other widely accepted financial analytical methods. The VCPMI can help you take emotions out of your trading and rely on simple mathematics to predict future trends in financial markets. This approach will make your trading more effective, consistent, and profitable. VCPMI Algorithm. The VCPMI code points and levels are support and resistance levels and behave exactly like any historical supply and demand level. Therefore, the VCPMI code levels are useful as an index tool for both day trading and for selecting and exercising entries and exits for longer-term traders. Why VCPMI? The VCPMI relies on artificial intelligence to analyze markets and predicts future movements, which seek to determine what a security or commodity is worth at a given point in time. The VCPMI uses technical analysis in the form of mean reversion trading, which seeks to capitalize on extreme changes in the pricing of a particular market based on the assumption that it will revert to its previous state. The VCPMI can be applied to both buying and selling, as it allows a trader to profit on unexpected upswings and save when security or commodity is trading at an abnormal level. Visit EMA2trade.com for more details.